I want you to be mine again, baby. Ay, I know my lifestyle is driving you crazy.
Hello guys, it is your boy X Dot here, and today I'm going to be recording a 6 kill high noon shooting tutorial. Shooting range tutorial. So basically, you want to go to the practice range. Mott hairs. So you want to go to the practice range and you want to use Roadhog. So usually it is pretty difficult to get a 6-man high noon. It's pretty freaking difficult. But today I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Where the frick road? Oh yeah, it's all the way over here. Alright, here we go. Alright, so first things first, where are we going to do it? Just to clear it up. So, you are going to be standing. We're going to need that bot in a second. We are going to be standing right about up here, and we're just going to line them all around on this bridge. So just remember that. So first would be the quickest. Oh, this is the easiest. We go right here. Wait till he respawns. There you go, that's one. And then what you're gonna have to do, I'd go right here. There you go, that's one. This guy's 2. This will be number 2. And then we can hook them from up here as well, so that's gonna be 2. Until my hook's fucking done. Oh, that worked too. Alright, well, I'm just gonna let him regen. Come over here. This is gonna be number 3. He was like in the ground. Woo! And then, okay, that works too. Okay, hook him from right here. Oh! The hook is real! That's 3 so far. We already got a good 3. The other 2 are going to be right there, and then we're going to get 1 over there. And that's basically it. You can get 11 because there is 11 enemy bots. I'll show you how to get... Yeah, you can get all these bots. I'll show you how to get the other 2, but I'm not going to be including them in this little tiny tutorial. And then that's the one that we can get. Except now I gotta wait. I need to come all the way up here. I think this is something that's like really cool. I really like it. I've never gotten a high noon quintuple kill. I'm gonna plug in my headphones. My Astros. Yeah. Alright, now we gotta wait till that bot comes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We'll put them like right around here. Yeah, oh look, these are like fucking each other. Ooh. That's just fucking weird. Now we're gonna have to move all these bots, but let me just show you how to do the how to get the other 2, because those 2 are easy. You just have to hook them onto that little railing and then hook them up there. But these other 2 bots, how are we gonna move them all the way from here to there? So the first thing to do is come right here onto this corner, and then you want to hook them. Look down here. Oh, that was a fail. Get like right here. That's gonna be better. There you go. That worked that time. Alright, that's good. So yeah, they're just gonna be sitting there, and then you put the bots up there. So me. There you go. And then I just wanna jump. Yeah, fuck me, damn it. So good at parkour. 100%. I cannot make that, I swear. I'm swallowing. Freaking chode. Okay. Yes, there we go. There you go. And then you put the other one. And then you come up to that corner. You see the little railing corner right around there? Yeah. You would go up there. Hold on, let me just... Ooh, there's 16. Let's go. Oh, I wonder where his body went. So they're not gonna move. Neither are those other guys. So, how do you get them? Well, when you hook them, this is what's gonna happen. So, let me do this. So, if you are gonna try to do this 11 way, which I might try, I don't know. So you wanna come up here, and when you hook one, you're gonna have to do this for both of them. You're gonna have to hook it. You're gonna go as fast as you can over here. And then you're gonna see the bot go right there. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. And then you get 2 chances. No! He juked me! No! Damn it. Oh, you might come back. Come back, fellow. No. Damn it. Oh, fuck. Okay, we're gonna get the other 2, and then I'll show you the high noon. So you're gonna... Woo. Okay. Yeah! Lead! Yeah. Fuck you. I'm gonna try it one more time and see if it works. It's that little faggot. It's a butthole. Because I don't want to get that other one. It's just gonna be longer. And then you have to get those bots down there. But that's nah. Oh yeah. I was thinking, what am I doing? What am I doing with my life? Ooh, there we go. Boy. We're gonna have to... There we go. And then we're gonna have to hook him, and then him, and then him. There we go. Yeah, he can get all of them. Mr. High Noon Master can probably get all of them. Thank you. This is gonna be a hard one. I'm gonna have to go. Hey! Yeah, that's pretty fun. That's pretty fine. Alright, now I gotta jump off. Ah! Fuck. Or no, I can just do this. Yeah. I mean, getting all 11 is, I think, really cool. Except you gotta do this pretty quickly because the game will end by itself, which is kind of retarded, if you ask me. Fuck! Gotta wait more time. What? Do I need to get like any more closer? What is it? What's the fucking deal? Fucking bitch. Okay. This is the closest I'm getting. Okay. I wait till he starts moving and then I'll do it. Okay, you're gonna see him right up there. Yay! I got him! So, then he's right here. Let's go. I don't know how low he is, so... Fuck it! Oh, it's pretty low. Alright, well that's all 6 of them. I could go for the 7. I could get those other 3, and I can get that other one over there. But I'm just gonna jump off. I'm gonna turn into McCurry. They're still gonna be there.
Justice ain't gonna dispense itself.
Damn, it was freaking low as, he was low as hell. I'm just gonna keep on killing him till I get my...
Hold up now.
Or let me go to that one area where I haven't even gotten any of those bots.
Happy trails. Easy.
90.
Don't move.
Alright, there we go. When you do the hammer, whatever you call, I don't even know what it's called, the LT move. I don't even know. Or actually, no, let's go up. You guys ready for this epic moment? Oh, this is so cool. I'm actually really happy to do this.
It's high noon. Like shooting fish in a barrel. Never had a chance.
I didn't get that one guy in the back though because the bot was inside of me, or I don't know, it didn't work. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And yes, it is It's King Venomous. I'm gonna leave the game. See, it says It's King Venomous. But yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to like and subscribe like always. And see you guys later. Peace and goodbye.